What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today it's gonna be kind of a chill day. About to go pick up the homie Mike, aka Slabshotzz on Instagram. Pick him up, and we might do a little impromptu photo shoot. I don't know. The car's a little dirty, and I don't have a lot of time, so we might end up saving that for after I get off work, but we'll see. But I'm about to head on over there now to pick him up, and we'll see what we get into. Alright, yeah, this was a fail video. I know I said I was gonna jump into something, but we're actually the next day, and he's already been out shooting, and he got the rental car and everything. But yeah, got the homie Slabshotzz here. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna put the link to his Instagram down below, so definitely check Mike out. But yeah, about to get some behind the scenes of him doing the work, so let's get to it. So yeah, we're at Old Town. My camera ain't really doing it justice, but his camera definitely will, so definitely stay tuned for that. We was trying to get closer on the inside, but they said once they start closing some stuff off, then we can start doing it. But for now, we're gonna make this little spot work and try another one in a little bit. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see those photos. Definitely make sure to follow below. The thumbnail will probably be one of them though. But yeah, probably gonna check out a couple other spots too. Saw a couple dope cars while we were looking for the spot. This one Focus over there that had crazy camper in the front. Like, it don't even look like that car would work. But yeah, we found even better spot right here. Why is he coming back here? Like, this is cruise only. What are they doing? What? They coming through here. So yeah, they were coming down the side. They weren't sure which way to go. But that's for cruise cars. This is actually the exit coming out. That's the entrance right there. The right is entrance, left is exit. But yeah, homie getting the good shots, good angles. Yes, entrance, exit. Do not enter cruise cars only. But yeah, they don't really know that, but whatever. I definitely need to upgrade my camera. Try and get some good angles and shots like this. This camera's a little older. It's not really great with low light, but we making it work. We're making it work. But yeah, y'all definitely let me know what y'all think. Definitely hit up Slabshotzz. He does photo shoots. He's mostly in the New York, New Jersey area. Right now he's chilling here, visiting Orlando. But yeah, like, depending on what you're talking, he might even travel. So definitely hit him up. Definitely check out his Instagram in the comment section below. Check out his shots. But as you can tell from the actual thumbnail, it's definitely pretty fire. So yeah, we had 4 cars squeezed by before we just moved to this angle. Like, they don't see that sign down there, because everybody think that the right side is just entrance only. But oh well. Definitely a dope spot to shoot at. I wanted to get closer on the inside over here. Well, not here, but like over there. But they still got some activities going on. He's like, gotta wait till the end of the day, which he thought was a 9. He's like 9 or 10. So turns out it was 10. Alright, at the next spot here at Disney Springs. Ain't hardly anybody here. So figure we shoot up here. Well, that didn't sound right. Ain't no shooting up, but you know what I meant. Alright, so yeah, I forgot to close out the video, but I'd like to thank you all for all the continued support. At the time of the upload, it should be a day before the actual Nissan times Infinity meet at Speed Zone. The link will be in the description below if you want to come check that out. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.